Hey everyone, welcome back to our virtual showroom. Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Let's take a look at this 2016 Hyundai Tucson luxury all-wheel drive. Tons of standard features. Let's do a quick walk around the outside. This is a local trade. It was bought here, serviced here. So again, we know the vehicle very well, but we love all trades. So no matter what you got, what year, age, maybe it's a boat, maybe it's a motorhome, we're definitely interested in everything. So again, Tucson luxury all-wheel drive. Let's get back to what we're talking about. You got the all-wheel drive. Great feature in the winter time. You got nice alloy wheels. You got push button start with proximity key. You got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You got nice fog lights there, as you can see. Good beefy grille. Hood's in nice shape. Glass in nice shape. Panoramic sunroof. Look at that, panoramic sunroof. Awesome to have a panoramic sunroof, especially in the summertime. Power liftgate. WeatherTech mats. So you get all the WeatherTech mats with this one, which is a nice feature. You got the spare down there. You've got split folding 60/40 seats. So again, you can put a child seat on all the anchors. So again, ability to add up to 3 apparatuses for children, which is a nice feature. Power liftgate. So again, WeatherTech mats, there's tons of value there. Great, especially if you have kids. You can basically pop those mats out, rinse them down with a hose and put them back in. You get a nice gray leather. Cup holders there. I'll show you that panoramic roof very shortly. You've got some rear ventilation, which is nice. So you can see it just came out of the detail shop. Nate did a heck of a job as usual. You got heated seats on the back for your the 2 passenger seats, which is a really nice feature. I have the key on me, sorry about that. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, locking rear windows. You've got a power driver's seat with lumbar support, so again, nice features there. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure or blind spot detection, sorry. You have traction control, which you can shut off, and you have your power lift gate, which you can control from the inside, so you don't have to get out as the driver. So when your kids are throwing some stuff in the back or you're picking them up from a play date. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. Keys are right here. Also has a remote starter built into it. Awesome feature. So again, what else do you get? You got a leather wrap steering wheel. You've got all your Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls. You also have the ability to toggle through and adjust some of the settings to personalize the vehicle. So again, some cool settings there. You have drive modes. Because it's electric steering, you can drive it in normal or sport mode. You have downhill brake assist control. You have 4-wheel drive lock. Yeah, remote starter, remote starter. You have all your auxiliaries and inputs down here. You've got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You've got a heated steering wheel. You have front rear defrost. You have dual zone climate control. So again, nice feature if you're like my wife and I. One's always hot, one's always cold. Well, this vehicle can accommodate. You have your hazards right here. And what else we got? We got the built-in navigation system. So there you go. Navigation, backup camera, Sirius XM capabilities. You have Bluetooth. This nice leather. Oh, I didn't even show you the. Here we go. Look at wall to wall. Oh, there you go. Wall to wall. That's awesome. Massive, massive panoramic sunroof. My kids love the panoramic sunroof. As you're driving at night, you get the stars. It's really nice, actually. Leather dash, all in nice shape. No rips or cuts or anything like that. This vehicle is definitely finished well. We love this Tucson. We know it's not going to last long, especially with the kilometers on it, guys. It is a nice vehicle. Push button start. It's got everything. Push button proximity key. I didn't even mention that. Too many things to mention sometimes. So again, guys, 2016 Tucson, luxury all-wheel drive, navigation, all the bells and whistles, local trade. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions. And as always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com.